Hi everyone. Today I'm going to start a new series on YouTube. How can you create a YouTube account in 2023 and monetize it? So in this is an intro video, and I'm going to show you about the steps we are going to take. First of all, we are going to create a channel if we have not already. If you guys don't have a channel, then obviously a channel will have a name, a description, and a logo. I'm going to show you how can you create a simple logo for your channel and generate a description for your channel, a channel name. After that, I'm going to show you how can you create a simple content which will be very easy to create. This will be a step-by-step guide, and when we create the content, I'm going to show you how can you publish the content, what should be the name of that video, the description, the keywords and tags, and the thumbnails, etc. And after that, after publishing the video, I'm going to give you update. There will be one video I'm going to post on the channel we are going to create right now. Every week I'm going to post one content on that channel, and I'm going to share the statistics of previous videos on a weekly basis, so you guys also know that where the channel is heading. So yeah, in the next video I'm going to show you how can you create a channel. So I'll see you in next video.